How are you all? Finally, I got the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. To ask you all to please subscribe and like, share my videos, and do advise me what could I do for better videos. Here is it. My camera can't focus it right now. Anyway, Victorinox since 1884, and it's the 3.3613. The Victorinox red Swiss Army knife, the classical red color. And here are some other information about the knife. As you know, it's the one of the best Swiss knife. Let's open it and see what's inside. Here is a paper. Here the Victorinox. That's it. Nothing this special in the box. Barcode and all. Nothing else. If you can see it. Empty box, nothing else. Okay, so here is it, the most popular and which is remarkably well known for its signature Swiss Army knife, and it has its quality in itself only. Okay, let's see the paper first. Okay,
here they are showing how you can clean it, or just can opener, how to use the can opener, what it can do. Actually it has almost 13 functions which you can do it. You can they are giving you the process how to oil it, and the tweezer and the toothpick. Okay,
now here is it, the actual one. It's quite good, heavy, and in my hand I can easily put it in my hand. It's not that small like the what you call twinkle one, the smaller one. It's not the biggest one, it's the medium one. And here is the logo, the popular logo, this one, engraved in the plastic. They have a lifetime warranty for you. And now I would like to measure it. Okay, let's measure it, how much it is. 5 inch and 9 centimeter, around 9 centimeter, with the blade, big blade. And there is here, if you can see it, here it is written the official Swiss and Victorinox Swiss made stainless steel. Okay, and now how to differentiate it. First of all, you should look at for the logo. Okay, next let's see this sound. When you fully open it, it just end up like a groove is there. Okay, and when you close it, it's just, when you come to close it, will automatically close, and with the sound. Okay, that's the best thing to differentiate it from the other Chinese products. Here is another one. This one is the can opener, and here both has the screwdriver and the soda bottle cap opener, the large knife, the small knife. It's too tight. Actually, it's too tight. That's the thing, it differentiates it from the rest of this Swiss knife which are easily available in the market. I cannot open the saw now. Let me open the saw now first. The classical sound you are hearing is the one that differentiates it from the rest of the knife. And here you can see the saw. Shiny, quite shiny. Here is the wine cork opener. make a hole in the leather belts and etc. And you guys, I would like to show you how sharp the knife is. Actually it's quite sharp, and how much sharpness it has, you can see it easily. Quite sharp. Just try with the smaller one. I feel like it's sharper than the bigger one. It's quite sharp. Be careful. Okay, thank you guys. I hope I'll some time later show you the saw, how sharp the saw is, and thank you for watching it. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and suggest me how to improve my videos, and what are the more things you would like to see in my videos. Okay, thank you.